Before I enrolled here in Marshall, I went to a high school, and it wasn't that easy. It was harder for me to learn there than it was here.
I was pretty antisocial. I wasn't very communicative with any of my teachers or anything.
I didn't really have no motivation to graduate. My grades were bad. I was just in a bad place in my life.
The teachers were so welcoming. They was very one-on-one. They tried to get to know you, not just like as a student, but as a person too.
They helped me through a lot and they supported me so much, and I don't think I would have graduated without any of them.
They pushed me to do better. They helped me with my anger issues. They gave me counseling for it. Even just the teachers, I could talk to them whenever I needed.
The teachers checking up on me afterwards just made me feel appreciated for being at the school.
So they do follow up like after high school just to see how I'm doing. They helped me get a job at a nursing home, and now they're helping me apply to colleges and things like that.
If I didn't attend Marshall, I probably wouldn't be here. I'd probably still be in school struggling with like F's, D's, just terrible grades.
I feel like Marshall kind of pushed me to push my education further, really made me want to go to school every day.
I honestly don't know where I would be if I didn't come here.
The whole school kind of just felt kind of like a small family.